how to change Instagram profile picture. So if you want to change your Instagram profile picture, it's relatively quite simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Instagram application, and this is the interface that you will see. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen, and from here what you want to do is you want to basically tap or long press on your profile picture, or you can go to this edit profile option and select edit picture and avatar and select new profile picture, or you can also just long press on your profile picture. It will give you a couple of options, that is new profile picture, so you can select that, and you can select a new profile picture of your choice, whatever else it is that you prefer right here. So let me go ahead and select a profile picture of my choice. So I can even zoom that out and select that, and then I can tap the next option. I can choose a couple of filters that I want to in this case, and once I've basically done that, I can simply go ahead and then tap on the next option right there, and once I tap the next option, I will be able to change my Instagram profile picture. And that's all it takes for me to change my Instagram profile picture. I hope that this video is really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.